Hello everybody, really hope you're enjoying your summer. Welcome to Adopt a Dragon. So you adopted a dragon. Kits are still available at the Fort Mill Public Library, all right? During curbside hours, okay? So on your kit, you got a dragon. You can pause the video and go ahead and decorate them the way you want, him or her, okay? Decorate them, pause it, and then we're gonna put it together, okay? So, since mine's already decorated, I'm gonna get started. So, it's a glider. He glides. He can fly. She can fly. Okay, so we're gonna take the parts out. Okay. Put them together. So, there's a little slit right here in the middle. That's where the wings go, I believe. All right. And then take the other slit right there. Okay. There we go. And then, I believe that goes at the end there. And then, you got his little nose piece. So he doesn't get too much air up his nose when he's flying, all right? And now your dragon is ready to adapt to his surroundings. But first, you have to give him a name. All right, so you should have also gotten a certificate in your kit, okay? Official dragon birth certificate. All right, so my dragon's name is, you know what, I'm gonna call her Lucy, adopted by Miss Cat, and today is the 28th of July already, 2020. All right, now it's official. You own a dragon, okay? All right, so how do you take care of a dragon? Let's get started. All right, so the first thing you got to do is get your dragon ready to fly and learn how to fly because dragons need to fly, all right? So to do that, you're just going to toss him a few times, back and forth, all right? As many times as you want to across the house, all right? For a good 5 minutes. And then he's ready to go. Back and forth, you could time it and see how far he could glide across the room. All right, so awesome. Now he knows how to fly. Next thing is, what do dragons do? They breathe fire. We need to train how to control their fire. Right, Lucy? Okay. All right, so to control their fire, you actually have to learn how to control it yourself. So your dragon is just going to sit idly by. So at this time, with your legal guardian and your parent, friends, I want you to go around the house and place items that are red or yellow, colors of fire, like clothing or scarves if you have them around the house, okay? And then you're going to time yourself and see how fast you can pick up those items around the house. The faster you get and collect those red, yellow items around the house, the faster you could put out the fire the dragon breathes, okay? All right, so now that we know how to fly, now we know how to control fire, the next thing we have to do is... All right, so your dragon actually needs shelter as well. Typically, dragons like to live in caves, so for your dragon, you could get creative with your shelter as long as they fit in it. Legos, you can use your Legos to build him a nice cave, boxes. For me, I made him this nice cave out of this Amazon box, and he fits nicely in it, see, Lucy? And it even has a door handle that can go down. All right, but if you really want to get really fancy, you could decorate this box as nice and cute as you want to, all right? So here's his cave, all right? Shelter. Also, another very important question, what do dragons eat? Well, I'm here to tell you, surprisingly, it is tacos, okay? So if you want to learn why dragons eat tacos and what not to give them, like spicy salsa, you can request the book, Dragons Love Tacos. Great book. You can request it on hold from your local library and pick it up curbside, or you can use the Hoopla app, which is free with your library card, okay? So Hoopla app, it looks like this. You can kind of see it. Let me see if I turn my... There we go. Hoopla app looks like that. Click on it, and we're gonna search for Dragons Love Tacos. Now all you need to get Hoopla is your library card number. All right, it'll prompt you from there. You could set up an account with your email. You give them your email, and then you create your own password. And I think you could download up to 10 items a month, and it automatically checks in it. All right, so they have it as a movie. Dragon Loves Tacos. All right, it's by Adam Rubin. All right, Adam Rubin is the author. Dragon Love Tacos. So read that book. All right. Your dragon likes tacos. You can make tacos out of Play-Doh. They might prefer that, okay? And don't let them have spicy salsa. All right, so congratulations. You're now owner of a pet dragon. Thank you for joining us. We hope you're enjoying your summer, okay? We miss you and we love you. Bye.